Hey RVers, it's Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We have a hot new floor plan for you today. Behind me is the 2024 Grand Design 24 BSE, and we're thinking BSE means bedroom suite. Make sure you stay to the end, but this floor plan is 2 slides under 30 foot, around 6,000 pounds. We've got to check this one out. Before we go in and check out the 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24 BSE, walking up to this camper, something drew my eye. Red. I thought that was like, what is red? It is really cool. They just did a little touch and they painted the drum brakes red just to give a cool appearance to the exterior. But anyway, when I walked up to this camper, the other thing that I noticed was a huge awning. I've got this out. It's gotta be 20 couple feet long. And if you've seen my other videos, I love patio time. So this gives me that protection and that away from the sun rays, or maybe even a day like today, we've got a little bit light drizzle. But also, again, before we step inside, I have to note, RVers, having 2 doors on your trailer is a bonus. You have a door going into the living area, a door going in the bathroom, so you know when you're outside, pretty much you're going inside just for the bathroom. This way it keeps and minimizes traffic flow at either end based on how you want to use your camper. It's a big bonus in my mind. All right, so we're inside the new 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24 BSE. We're thinking bedroom suite, but man, there's a couple things that draw my eye as soon as I step foot. Beyond the lighting, the new batten strip lighting, which is really neat and sexy, the booth up front. We don't typically see floor plans with the booth up front. I love this idea. We've got a large, wide U-shaped booth to be able to sneak a couple extra people inside, especially if I've got cocktail hour, happy hour coming in. But other than the width, I've got a lot of storage overhead, some nice lighting above me to be able to see what I'm eating. And then if I do have that happy hour that turns into a sleepover, I've got the booth that can lend another bed. The gas strutted assisted table leg is real easy. You have 2 clamps that you're gonna release, push the table down, probably remove a couple of the cushions just to make it a little bit easier, and then take some of the cushions from the back to fill in for your bed. So let's take a peek and see how it works. And now I have a huge long bed. I'm 6'1" and I've got plenty of elbow space and plenty of leg space. So we're easily gonna be able to sleep 2 more guests, 2 adults here. Beyond the booth, moving over to the first slide out of the floor plan, there's 2 slide outs. I have a nice theater seating that's comfortable for 3 if I need. I could lay back, chill out. Got my cup holders to hold my nice tasty beverage for the evening as I watch a movie. And it's great placement with the theater seating opposite of the TV. Because we know RVers, the TV's always sometimes a neck cruncher, like you have to look over your shoulder to be able to see the TV, but they have it right across the theater seating, which makes a great viewpoint for you to chill out and watch some of those movies at night. Moving on to the kitchen. Man, I love this kitchen. It's long, it's deep. I've got a lot of storage. All these drawers and cubby holes for all my kitchen utilities. I've got a deep, wide stainless sink there. That way I can prep, or got big dishes when I'm out camping. I can easily wash them up. Got some more storage above. Microwave. 3-burner stovetop with a nice cover. That way I can use that double up as a meal prep area, or flip it up, and obviously we've got some space to do some cooking, some oven space for some biscuits or some cookies. And then I love the fact that underneath they've made space for a big pots and pan drawer. So plenty of space here to do a lot. So whether it's just the 2 people that you're going camping with, or you've got a bunch of friends all of a sudden that said, hey man, I love your camper, love camping, here you go. Got plenty of space to do any kind of meal here easily. Opposite of the kitchen, we have our 12-volt refrigerator, and this is huge. This has got plenty. You got a deep refrigerator, and the benefit of the 12 volt is it cools quicker, and the fact that you don't have all that compressor gear in the back for from the traditional refrigerators, it gives us that depth to be able to put a lot of food, so we keep our bellies full as we camp. And if you got some dry goods to go with you, obviously we've got pantry and a couple more drawers, so there's plenty of space in this camper already to be able to take all your goodies for 2 people, if not more, if you want some friends to come along with you. Moving into the bathroom, second door, I love it. Having kids when I was camping, it was bathroom breaks during the day, so I just wanted to minimize the traffic flow, minimize the dirt. They've got a nice barn style door behind me here, but anyway, we can access this door here from the outside if we choose to do that. But again, counter space, they've utilized a little bit of extra wall space here. That way I can throw out my toothbrushes and my soaps. We've got plenty of storage above and below for trash can, toiletries, etc. Back here, beyond the toilet, they utilize again some more nice wall space to do some for linens, maybe throw some extra towels and such. And again, if you've seen my videos in the past, I love my eagle arm height and width of my shower. So I'm 6'1", I've got plenty of space in here. Close off with a nice, easy, clean screen and get a good, comfortable, warm shower. If you remember, from the beginning, we had a teaser coming up, bedroom suite. What is that second slide, right? Behind the bedroom door, this is where we love the idea and the design that they've implemented back here with a bedroom suite. We have our second slide that bumps out, that gives us a nice queen bed that's accessible from both sides, and especially even just making the darn bed. If the bed was up in a corner or if it wasn't on a slide, it's gonna be tight to try to change out those sheets. But above the head, we have, again, a nice use of lighting, some storage. They've even added a couple little tabletop like end tables, so that we can throw a drink up there or throw your cell phone or something at night. Plenty of use of windows. We have windows at the head of the bed, a nice big one back here, so I can enjoy some of that camping fresh air that we want. So I don't know, what do you think? BSE means bedroom suite. Again, a 30-foot trailer, 2 slides, I should say under 30 foot, let me retract that, 2 slides, and tons of storage and space to be able to camp anywhere comfortably for the week or a week-long weekend. All right, under 30 foot, which means maneuverability anywhere you want to go camping, this camper is going to fit. 2 slide outs, so it gives you a lot of floor space, especially on those rainy days, or you got extra guests coming along with you. And at 6,000 pounds approximately, that means it's going to be able to be towed by plenty of vehicles out there, so you don't have to go grab that big 1-ton truck. Again, the 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24 BSE bedroom suite is phenomenal. Do you agree? Give us a thumbs up if you do. Comment below on any questions that you have on the camper, or maybe anything special that you want to dive into a little bit further. I'll be glad to do that for you. And show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.